Hey people, I'm Rachel. And I'm Leah. And we're going to have a birthday vlog! Alright, so I'm going to go first. Oh, that's so easy. I can repeat that. Do it. That was so awesome! I guess I got one more in store. That was such a one. Okay. Here's mine. Alright, so you comment on us who you think won. For Leah, right here, comment 1. For me, comment 2. Bye.